Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for all you busy professionals out there. If you're constantly juggling multiple tasks and struggling to stay productive, this video is just for you. I will be sharing 10 incredible productivity hacks that will help you reclaim your time and get more done. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Start your day with a morning routine. Establishing a consistent morning routine sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Wake up early, exercise, meditate, or do something that energizes you. By starting your day with purpose, you'll have a head start on your productivity journey. Tip number 2. Utilize the power of time blocking. Block out specific time slots for different tasks and activities throughout your day. This technique helps you focus on one task at a time and prevents distractions from derailing your progress. Remember, being intentional with your time is key. Tip number 3. Declutter your workspace. A clean and organized environment can significantly boost your productivity. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up your desk, remove unnecessary items, and create a space that inspires creativity and focus. Tip number 4. Minimize distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. Put your phone on silent mode, close unnecessary browser tabs, and use productivity apps or website blockers to stay focused on the task at hand. Remember, every minute counts. Tip number 5. Prioritize your tasks using the Eisenhower Matrix. Divide your tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not urgent and not important. This method helps you identify your priorities and tackle them accordingly. Tip number 6. Take regular breaks. Working nonstop can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Incorporate short breaks throughout your day to relax, recharge, and clear your mind. You'll return to your tasks with renewed focus and energy. Tip number 7. Use a planner or a digital task management tool. Write down your goals, deadlines, and to-do lists in a structured manner. Having a clear overview of your tasks helps you stay organized, meet deadlines, and track your progress. Tip number 8. Practice mindfulness and deep breathing. When you feel overwhelmed or stressed, take a moment to practice deep breathing exercises or engage in mindfulness techniques. These practices can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your focus. Tip number 9. Delegate tasks and collaborate. Don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. Delegate tasks to others who can handle them efficiently, and collaborate with your team to leverage everyone's strengths. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Tip number 10. Celebrate your accomplishments. Acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrating your progress boosts motivation and encourages you to keep going. Take a moment to reward yourself for a job well done. And there you have it. 10 fantastic productivity hacks for busy professionals. Incorporate these strategies into your daily routine and watch your productivity soar. Please share your favorite productivity hacks in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Until next time, stay productive and keep reaching for your goals. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.